First Amendment. The First Amendment is a foundational provision in the US Constitution that guarantees essential freedoms including speech, religion, press, assembly, and the right to petition. While specifically American, equivalent concepts exist internationally as freedom of expression or fundamental human rights in the UK, Europe, and Australia. This amendment restricts the government from passing laws that unreasonably censor opinions or establish a national religion. It ensures that citizens can openly criticize their leaders and engage in vigorous public debate without fear of state retaliation. However, these constitutional rights are not absolute. Courts have consistently ruled that the government can restrict certain categories of dangerous expression. For instance, protections do not extend to direct threats of violence, intentional defamation, or speech that incites immediate illegal action. For example, a group of college students organizes a peaceful protest on a public sidewalk to oppose a controversial new tax policy. The local mayor, frustrated by the bad publicity, orders the police to disperse the crowd and arrest the organizers. The students immediately file a federal lawsuit against the city. The judge rules that the mayor's actions directly violated the First Amendment. The ruling protects the students' right to peacefully assemble and express their political dissent without government interference.